Tinini o candle march obo ungkha Angel Chakma Uttarakhand Dehradun racial discrimination khaijagai attack khaijagai bini langma chokha bini khadumani tei tini candle march khaimani norok nugui mankna saibo mankna agini simi racial discrimination chunghai mongoloid face mane chini haimuk khangno agini simi no mainland India wo Delhi ungthung UP ungthung Bihar ungthung oba haike racial discrimination khajagi Angel Chakma simi first case ya Nidotania Lobsang Richard Pankaj Najari borok haike bangma borok langma chokha oba haike racial discrimination khajagai college racial comment pass khajagai Chinky Momo tai kwangma oba hai hanjagai borok baksa ba suicide khaika baksa ba torture khajagai butarjaka hangkai chini khadumani rally khadumani o candle march obono je northeast not ye tangai obohai tangai chung every time victim nana we are also a proud Indian citizen chung proud Indian citizen ngai chung tangai obo face khena nang chung tangai openly sana nang chung tangai openly phunukna nang je we are also a citizen of India chung bo norok hai same proud Indian chung bo abohaino chung bo kaisa proud citizen ngai obohai ke racial discrimination ngai mang tongkai tini angel ngai khana you are journalist nini busa khana phataro porina thanai nini busa bo mokol chikon mokol mukse momo sinki sunai obohai ke racial discrimination khaijaknai racist comment pass khaijaknai ambagino chungbo musungu obohai chini northeast ni bepare chini northeast ni culture chung mani mangkha chini northeast ni food habit different chini attire different chini kanmung chumung different but we are also a proud Indian so obohai chini jeta subject go chini northeast ni bare taibo chungno borokno textbook roga add khajaka kai kini obohai ngna nangla kham textbook go sudu one horn rhino cherrapunji Assam tea obo simi sajakma bagino tini obohai chini situation ambagi tini o khadumung rally
Sinango obohai rungsrami tonero bongma jaga thungi obohai ke rungsrami musumai tonero ni sinango obono nakhare tam
jara student future jara porina thangero norok bo takiridi norok khorangti sadi obohai racial jekunu ngi tongke karon it's a very tam hinai obo kaisa crime everyone is aware jara racial discriminate khainai jara racial comment pass khainai borok saimono je it is a crime to discriminate your own fellow Indians not only fellow Indians jekunu country ni phaibo you cannot discriminate others you cannot call someone black you cannot call someone white ambagai tini Angel Chakma thai thanga Taiwan 2 months pore bono pogui thanai next time tai kesang this will continue if there is no civic sense if there is no enough lesson taught in the class